Suada was the Roman goddess of persuasion, so it's not surprising that this Narcissus persuaded me to put her in my garden. The frilly orange cup with greenish yellow petals is one of the reasons I love this daffodil. It flowers at the same time as the lily-flowering tulip, China Pink, and the species rhododendron impetuum that sits on the rock wall above the pond in my garden. After a long winter, when the garden is starving for color, this is a lovely combination of flowers in early spring. Bright yellow daffodils look great with cobalt blue accents. As with many daffodils, Suada is first-rate for forcing and is excellent as a cut flower. The daffodils last 4 to 6 days in a vase. Plant bulbs 4 to 6 inches deep and 3 to 6 inches apart. The flowers face southerly, so plant them where their faces will be towards the viewer.